So you might be trying to figure out how you can remove end-to-end encryption on your particular application on Messenger. Now, doing this is easy, but there is a complicated process to this. So for number one, if you do see a particular lock against an application or against a message, that means that particular message is locked, it's encrypted. But as you can see for me, I don't see that on here. So there's a couple things you can do to basically go through and just remove a particular encrypted chat and go back to a normal chat. And the only way to do this, as far as we can see, is by going through and deleting a particular message. Now, it's very annoying, so the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and see if there's anything within a message that you actually want to keep, that you want to, just keep forever, because if you delete it, it's going to be deleted forever, so keep that in mind. There's ways to recover message data. You can always request the data backup from, Facebook and Meta, but for the most part, the best thing you can do here is to just go see if you can go through and just recover or screenshot anything, save messages, anything like that. Now when you're ready, right, and you want to remove end-to-end encryption, you're going to have to delete it. That's really the only way to do it. So what you're going to want to do is hold down on a message like this, and you are going to see a delete button right here. So what you want to do is you want to go and tap onto here and you want to click delete. What that's going to do is it's going to delete that message from your whole entire chat. It's going to delete everything along with it, so keep that in mind. But it's basically going to delete all those chats and everything from this particular application. So then what you're going to be able to do here is you're going to be able to recover another chat. What you can do is you can click on the top right corner right up there and you can start composing another chat, and that chat should now have the end-to-end encryption disabled within it. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.